Welcome back to Ride Radar, your trusted channel for the latest reviews, specs, and features from the world of luxury cars, bikes, and futuristic vehicles. Today, we're exploring something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. This masterpiece takes luxury travel to an entirely new level, combining Maybach's world-class craftsmanship with the freedom and adventure of a motorhome. The result is a vehicle that transforms every journey into a five-star experience on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is designed to redefine what it means to travel in luxury. From the outside, it commands attention with its elegant, streamlined silhouette and striking Maybach design elements. The chrome-accented grille, signature LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a majestic road presence. The dual-tone paint finish and the subtle Maybach badging further enhance its sophistication, while the aerodynamic structure ensures efficiency and stability at highway speeds. Built on Mercedes' latest luxury touring platform, this motorhome blends engineering excellence with high-end aesthetics. Step inside and you are welcomed into a world of unmatched comfort and elegance. The interior feels more like a private jet than a vehicle. Every detail has been meticulously designed, from the handcrafted Napa leather seats to the ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. The layout features a spacious lounge area with reclining massage chairs, a fully equipped kitchenette, a king-size sleeping suite, and even a compact spa-style bathroom. The Maybach Motorhome comes with real wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and soft-touch materials throughout, making every inch of the cabin feel opulent and inviting. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 Maybach Motorhome experience. The cockpit features a massive curved OLED display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle control systems. Mercedes' advanced MBUX interface uses voice recognition and AI to make travel effortless. Passengers can control lighting, temperature, window shades, and entertainment through smart touch panels or even via smartphone. The sound system, developed by Burmeister, creates a 360-degree surround experience, turning the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Wi-Fi connectivity, 5G integration, and solar-powered charging systems ensure complete autonomy and connectivity on long trips. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome features a hybrid powertrain that combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor producing over 600 horsepower. This setup provides smooth and silent cruising, remarkable efficiency, and impressive torque for seamless acceleration. The air suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even on uneven terrain. Drivers can switch between multiple drive modes, including Comfort, Eco, and Sport, tailoring the performance to suit their journey. In terms of safety, Mercedes has included its latest driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous parking, and a 360-degree camera system. Advanced radar sensors constantly monitor surroundings to ensure maximum safety and peace of mind. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome isn't just about transportation, it's about redefining travel itself. It merges the sophistication of Maybach with the practicality of a motorhome, offering a luxurious retreat wherever you go. Whether you're exploring scenic routes or parking at a mountain retreat, this motorhome ensures that every moment feels exclusive and comfortable. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to stay updated with more luxury vehicle content, don't forget to subscribe to Ride Radar. Your support helps us bring you the latest insights, reviews, and automotive innovations. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll see you next time on Ride Radar.